Okay, y'all, look at Kylie Jenner's Holiday Glam. The ice lid, the black ombre lip. I had to recreate this look on my skin tone. Let's see if it hits the same. I'm going to be using Give Me Gold eyeshadow palette. I'm using like a reddish brown. And I'm going to use my Nicka K matte eyeshadow palette in a dark brown color. Both of these eyeshadow palettes are affordable. And I'm going to use my cut crease hack. I'm going to use my eyelash curler. And I'm going to apply the concealer around the lash curler, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stamp it, and then I'm going to blend it out with an angle brush. So I'm making sure that it is blendable, and then before we apply the eyeshadow, so I'm going to blend. Next, I'm going to use my Nicka eyeshadow palette by Ruby Kisses, Nicka Beach. I'm going to use that silver color in the top left hand corner, and I'm going to blend it in the increase of my eye to the middle, like almost the center of my eye as Kylie, and I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to use a little bit of dark brown once again on the outer corner of my eye to give it that smoky effect like how hers is showing. And I'm going to use my Absolute New York eyeliner marker. She did have a little wing, so I'm just going to do a little bit of that, not too much. And I'm going to use my Missha BB cream. Number 41 is medium tan. And I'm going to use my Nicka K Won't Stop, Don't Stop concealer, Warm Honey. And I'm going to blend those colors together. So as you guys can see, it blends with my skin tone, and it looks like I have been ready for my photo shot. I love it. And I'm going to blend the other side as well, so you guys see how it moves on very smoothly, and you can't tell I have makeup on. So I love these two combinations. And I'm going to use this dark pink. I'm using my Nicka K matte eyeshadow palette. I'm using that dark pink for blush since I ran out of blush. So that's it for that one. And I'm using my Donna Jumbo black pencil. I'm outlining my lips, so you guys can see the results. And you can use any type of lip pencil. I just use Donna Jumbo lip pencil. It costs $1.99. And I'm using Diamond Glow by Nicka K, number 3. And it's called Fair. And some lip gloss. And I'm just going to apply my Loreal Mascara. And then I'm going to use my highlighter pencil by Ruby Kisses. What do we think? Did I nail Kylie's Glam or what? Honestly, I love it. Comment who I should try next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.